In this video, let's see how to create a new data import integration using an Excel file in IntegrationHub Import. Click on the All option in the navigation bar. Type Integration in the filter search box. Select IntegrationHub Import from the search results. Click on Create New Integration in the IntegrationHub Import interface. Enter the name for the new data import integration in the form. Type a description in the short description field and click Save and Continue. Type a description in the short description field and click Save and Continue. In the Source Configuration section, click to select a source type from the drop-down menu. In the Source Configuration section, select File from the Source Type drop-down menu. Choose excel.xlsx/.xls as the file format from the drop-down options. Upload the Excel file and configure the sheet name and header row.